Hey guys, I'm showing you this SUPLIK Durable Shockproof Case for iPad 9th, 8th or 7th Gen. Is iPad 10.2 inches of 2021 or 2019 model. This have a inbuilt screen protector and the handle for the stand and the kit. So it's blue in color as you can see here. This is the foam material on the back and the side, and then this handle is comfortable for the kids. It can rotate so that it can be like this or any way you want. So these are the instructions provided to use this case. So to remove this carefully from this thing, and then the black thing will come out. This is you know things for the tablet or the iPad. So you have to remove this blue covering, and then the iPad will actually get fit into the blue part. So this black part need to be discarded. So this is my iPad 9 Gen. So you have to check with the holes in, like the camera and the home button, and just put in or the slide in this cover case, and then put this cover into this socket. So you have to be careful, like it will may require a little bit time to get into it, and but the outer material is the flexible one. So you have to just slide in carefully so that it will fit from all the corners. So once it will fit in, then your tablet is protective and it can be used easily with the kids. You have to remove this protective covering, and you can see from here that everything's set well. So this will take a little bit time for the screen protector, if there is any air bubble or anything, just to be fine. So this is not sticky to the iPad, so you can easily know. And you can see like all the cuts in the back is good, like for the camera, for the buttons, for the other sensors, for the speakers. So everything is all designed very carefully for this case. These are the volume button, this is for the charging. So I'm just showing this. Charging is not a problem with this cover case thing and the speaker thing. So it's a great iPad case for kids.